こんにちは、レオです。友人のチャックとマツダのロードスターのエンジン、ミッション、サスペンションとかをチャックが持ってるイギリスの MG ミジェット1974年製に移植するプロジェクトの記録です。素人の親父が2人でどこまでできるのか試行錯誤の連続だと思うんですけども、おそらくとんでもない間違いとかをやらかすと思うので、アドバイスとかもらえたら嬉しいです。よろしくお願いします。これは部品取りできそうなロードスターを見つけて2人で盛り上がってるとこですね。いずれは車バラバラにしちゃうんですけれども、エンジンの使用部品が必要なので、それを確認するために売り主に電話しているとこです。
We're on our way to look at a 1991 Mazda Miata for $500. We saw it this morning on Craigslist. Hopefully it's got everything we need to convert our midget.
はい、これが目的の車でした。ピンクに塗ってありました。ちょっと衝撃的な色ですね。今のオーナー購入してからまだ1回もエンジンはかかってないそうです。ハムカバーが取られてますね。ただエンジンの主要パーツは残っているようです。でバンパーもないです。でトップはこの状態で放置だったので、中は当然サビサビです。ただハンドルはちゃんと動いたんで大丈夫そうですね。フロントのステアリングは大丈夫そうですね。で中はこんな感じ。サビサビですね。
これは車を購入して別の日にガレージまで運んでるとこですね。サビサビですね。状況は変わってないです。もちろん。助手席のこの隙間にも蜂の巣がありました。それじゃあいよいよエンジンをかけようと思います。じゃあ Can you check the oil, please?
Yeah, let's check the oil before we get started. So the oil looks.
Can I close too?
Yeah,
I cannot.
It looks like it's got a little too much in it, and it smells a little gassy to me. So that's an issue we'll have to think about. But maybe it's been flooded many times, and that would definitely put gas in the oil. We also want to check the water. We got water. Heck, it's even got antifreeze in it. It's nice and green. We put a battery in it. So at this point, we're ready to kick it over and see if it'll start.
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
Crank.
Okay, here we go. So we've got, I probably have to put the clutch in.
Count idle.
It won't idle.
Yeah.
And that's everything for you?
オートゾーンでこれだけ買ってきました。借りたものもあります。まずはメインの燃料圧力計ですね。これは150ドルデポジットして借りてきました。ちゃんとしてますね。
そして
Look at this.
オイルじゃないや、燃料ポンプでストレーナーとこれオイルフィルターとオイルで、おまけで使わないけどもエアフィルター、エアフィルターと一緒に買った方が安かったから、これもおまけで使わないですけど買ってきました。Oh, it's a pretty dark. It's black oil.
Yeah. Is it thin?
It's a too smooth. Probably it's already mixed with gasoline. Yeah, it's a strong gas smell. Not oil. It's probably a half oil, half gas.
FP
コネクタ
is
の FP とグラウンドをショートして
there.
強制的にポンプを動かします。
There.
There's some noise. The pump is working. Oh, there it is.
Okay. So we got 60 pounds.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, good.
Okay.
Nothing.
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 Then probably not. It's almost sure.
Oh, wait. But we got gas leaking.
Should I stop?
Yeah. Okay. It's coming up slowly.
Slowly.
There it goes.
It's working.
Yeah. So 60 pounds. Okay.
Yeah.
Shut it off.
Yeah.
I think I know. Here's my theory.
Okay.
My theory is these two lines, they reversed.
Mm-hmm.
They've got these wrong. This should be on the low pressure side. This should be on the high pressure line.
交換するやつですか。まあ全く一緒ですね。
All right.
「マスターシリンダーを交換して、ブリーダーバルブが超変なところにあります。こんな奥にピント合うかな。あった。
Okay, so we replaced the fuel filter and the fuel pump, and now we have a good 85 pounds of pressure. Before that, we could barely get 60 pounds. So we think we're on the right track. So now what we're going to do is we're going to follow the manual to just do a systems check to see if our fuel pressure regulator is working correctly. And what it tells us to do is hook up the pressure gauge into the high pressure line. We're going to turn the key on and start the pump. We've got the relay bypassed. So we took off the vacuum line from the pressure regulator and we hooked up the vacuum pump. And I'm going to, as I increase pressure, the vacuum on the pump, the pressure on the fuel pressure should go down.
Should I turn on?
Yeah, turn it on. Okay. I think we got a leak or something. Okay. So it goes down. Try it again. Okay, we're still at about 45 pounds, but I see no leaks. But if I add vacuum, it lowers it. So that's what the test says it's supposed to do. Now it didn't tell us how much, by how much or anything like that. So at this point we can say the regulator is at least doing something.
Okay, it's a short time.
Okay, here we go.
It's a 40, yeah, around 35.
You know,
Yeah, only a third one doesn't have the spark. Need to clutch.
yeah. Ah, okay. I'm not getting any gas. All right.
It's a gas.
Let's try
Direct
that.
gas injection.